Senior Travel Tips: How to Explore Safely and Comfortably. Hello everyone. Today we talk about travel. Many people after 60 still love to explore new places. Travel keeps the mind fresh and the heart happy. But safety and comfort are very important. Here are simple tips for seniors to enjoy the journey without stress. 1. Plan ahead. Choose destinations that are senior-friendly, safe, easy to walk, with good medical services. Book direct flights or short routes when possible. Request hotel rooms on lower floors or near elevators. 2. Pack smart. Travel light. Carry only what you need. Use a small rolling suitcase instead of heavy bags. Keep medicines, travel documents, and a change of clothes in your carry-on bag. 3. Health and medication. Bring enough medicine for the whole trip, plus a few extra days. Keep a written list of your medicines and doses. Carry a simple health card with emergency contacts and doctor information. Ask your doctor before long trips if you have heart, diabetes, or mobility issues. 4. Comfort during travel. Wear loose, comfortable clothing and supportive shoes. Stand up and stretch during flights or long bus rides. Drink water regularly to prevent dehydration. Use a neck pillow or small cushion for better comfort. 5. Stay safe. Keep valuables close and use a money belt or crossbody bag. Do not carry too much cash. Use credit cards when possible. Stay in well-lit, busy areas. Avoid walking alone at night. Learn a few local emergency numbers or phrases. 6. Pace yourself. Do not try to see everything in one day. Plan rest breaks between activities. Listen to your body if you feel tired. Stop and relax. A slow pace makes the journey more enjoyable. 7. Stay connected. Carry a mobile phone with local SIM or roaming. Share your travel plans with family or friends. Check in regularly so loved ones know you are safe. Closing. Travel after 60 is not only possible, it can be wonderful. With good planning, smart packing, and careful pacing, seniors can explore the world safely and comfortably. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to Golden Life for more practical tips for healthy and happy senior living. Enjoy your journeys, stay safe, and see you in the next video.